Dinosaur Train by Steven Gurney. Where's dinosaur? Do you see a dinosaur? Look. This is a dinosaur, and here it is. This is the train. Dinosaur Train. That's pretty. I like the drawing. Can you see the drawing? Who drew this picture? Nice. Story and pictures by Steven Gurney. Thursday was a day much like any other for Jesse. Trains and dinosaurs, dinosaurs and trains. He loves dinosaurs. He's drawing a dinosaur, he's playing with the dinosaur toys, and he's playing with the trains. And this is a train. He's riding on a train. Just before bed, Jesse drew one last picture. He drew this picture. Can you see that? Lots of colors, purple and orange and green and blue and red. I like that picture. Suddenly, there was a loud noise. Boo! And the whole house began to shake. Ooh! Shaking, shaking, shaking. What's happening? Oh my goodness! Oh, abroad! Oh, aboard! Someone shouted. Who shouted? Who's this? Please have your tickets ready. That's the dinosaur. Does Jesse have a ticket? Thank you, said the conductor. Dining car to the rear. Where's the dining car? There are all sorts of different dinosaurs. Look at this woman. This woman has a ticket. Wearing sandals. And this man is reading a newspaper. Wow. Interesting. And this dinosaur has a hat. Let me show you the view from the sky windows. Wow, everybody's so big. He's eating a salad. He is eating a hamburger. What is Jesse having? It's a big cup. Tunnel ahead, Jesse yelled. Duck! Everybody duck! Tunnel is coming. When they came out of the tunnel, Jesse said, Look, that's amazing! What's amazing? Everyone lean over to see. Ooh! Everybody's looking at his mountain. Volcano. Uh-oh. Because everybody leaned over to this way, flipped. The train flipped. Jesse took charge. Come on, you can do it. Help, help. Push it back on the track. Hooray! Thanks, son. You can ride up here with me. Who's this big guy? Next stop, Jesse's room. Look. Oh, there's one in the bicycle. Where's Jesse? Do you see Jesse? I don't know where he is now. Is that Jesse? The end. Dinosaur Train by Steven Gurney. Thanks for watching. Bye.